facility. Of course, we're talking about the MLK Health and Pharmacy Center right here on Olive Street in Shreveport. And actually, I'm joined by a very special man right now, Dr. Robert, let me make sure I get his name right, Dr. Robert Jackson, who is the founder of the center. Dr. Jackson, first of all, thank you so much for letting us be here today and really get an inside look at your services. Tell me, more than 3 decades ago, you had the idea to get this started for our community. Where did that idea come from?
Well, in my training in internal medicine at LSU, it was very common. I'd see people come into the hospital with devastating complications from illnesses I thought we could prevent if we just did a better job at providing medicine and making basic primary care services more accessible.
We talked earlier, your facility provides an array of services and a lot to go into, but talk to me a little bit about just some of the services that folks can get here.
Well, our big deal is basic primary care services, and in particular primary care for very common things like high blood pressure and diabetes. But we also offer a number of specialty clinics. We have a women's health clinic, and through that offer screening mammograms. We have a clinic that specializes in lifetime changes, particularly focused on preventing cardiovascular diseases. We have a pulmonary clinic. We partner with the Philadelphia Center, and they operate an HIV clinic here. So we have a lot of stuff.
You know, it's a lot a lot of undertaking, I guess, to put on something like this that's free of charge for all of the patients who qualify and that come through these doors. Why donate so much time and effort into making this a reality?
It's my way of trying to give back to the community that's been so good to me. And you know, like we mentioned earlier when we were talking, this clinic has been a big part of my life for the majority of my life. In fact, at our old building, that's where I met my wife. We actually got married in our first building on Sprague Street. So it's really a big part of my life.
Did you ever think that it would grow and be something that was so valued in the community?
Not in a million years. In fact, as I mentioned earlier, I don't think I had any grand vision. My vision was to help this one person's blood pressure be a little bit better next month when I saw him again. And that's about the limit of my vision.
You know, earlier today we spent all day here and watched the clinic in service and seeing how happy and how comfortable these patients were in here, knowing that they weren't just getting help today, but you guys were setting them up to be helped and to take care of their lives. What does that mean for you?
Well, I can't describe how much it means to me, and I think it's a big deal for them too. You know, and another thing about our patients is most of them are all scheduled to come time and time again with the same group of people, and so there's a real group dynamic going on. And I've heard people saying things like, "Well, I guess if you're going to get them mammograms, so will I."
That is awesome. And you know, really quickly too, this is not done without the generosity of the community, private donors, and grants. Can you tell us too that $1 can be stretched into actually $25?
That's exactly correct. And yes, we do need money, but we're a very efficient user of your donations. For every dollar donated to us, we can deliver about $25 worth of health care. For our cash budget, our overhead expenses are around 15%. That's amazingly low. The reason we can do that is through the power of volunteerism.
Absolutely incredible. Thank you so much. And I want to remind you at home, if you would like to help, KSLA is partnering with the MLK Center. We will be partnering with them throughout the year. We have a couple of numbers that we want to pass along to you right now. You can donate just $1. You saw how far, you just heard how far that can go. All you have to do is text the word Promote Health to this number. Write it down or text it, 1-844-544-7171, Promote Health, all one word, and you can make your donation there, or you can donate and learn more about the center here by visiting our KSLA Cares section on our app and of course online at ksla.com. And if you would like to see if you qualify for the program, well, we'll tell you how you can do that coming up in just a few minutes.